Okay, so next tools that we'll be studying is the circle. So right here you will notice that these tools for circle, it has this down button, and if you press this, then there are selections, many selections: center radius, center diameter, 2 points, 3 points, tangent, tangent radius, and the tangent, tangent, tangent. Okay, so basically these are ways wherein how you can create a circle. So if we discuss this, first is we have this center radius. So as long as you know the center and you know the the radius, this radius, then you can have this circle, right? And another one option is we have maybe right here. So next one is center diameter. So as long as I know the center and I know this diameter, and recall the diameter is the distance between 2 points in a circle that crosses this center. I mean 2 points along the circumference that crosses the center, right? So if I know that, then I can have my circle. Okay, next one is, you see here we have 2 points and 3 points. So that means that if I know 2 points, of course that 2 points must lie within the circumference of the circle. Let's say right here, so that's my 2 points selected, and I can create my circle. Okay, next one is 3 points. So if I know my 3 points, let's say 1, 2, and 3, then somehow I can also create my circle. Alright, so sometimes this works, sometimes this may not. I mean, maybe not, because it must be compatible that these 3 points must coincide with the circumference of the circle, because sometimes if we have other drawing objects wherein we want those points within those other objects, then this may not be possible. So you have to check. Anyway, the status bar will also mention if it's possible or not, right? So next one is we have this tangent, and radius, or sometimes we call this TTR. It's a tangent radius. When you say tangent, that's actually a point, or a point wherein it touches, I mean a line touches a curve only at one point. So let's say I have these lines right here already drawn, and another line right here, and let's say I want this point of tangent. See, I want that my circle to be tangent to this line and then tangent to this line. Then if I know my radius, if I specify my radius, then somehow the circle can be created, right? So this is tangent, this is also tangent, and we have this radius, right? And for the last option that we have 3 tangent points, tangent. So that means that so I have this 1, 2, and 3. So probably there are lines already. Let's say we have lines already here. So if we select these points, then a circle can be generated, right? Not always, because again, those 3 points must lie within the circumference of the circle, because if it's not, then a circle cannot be generated. Okay, so let's try it here. So we'll try this center radius. So it says in the status bar center for circle. So let's select some arbitrary point, and then let's specify the value. Let's say 300. Right, so that's my circle. Okay, another one is center diameter. So center diameter, select it says here specify center point, and then since we clicked that already, then we just need to specify the diameter. Let's say the diameter is 300. So same value, but this time this is the diameter, whereas in this case it's the radius, right? So next one is 2 points. So if I have 2 points, then I can um, I can create a circle. Or if I have 3 points, right? So I can create a circle. Or if I have a tangent radius. So let's say I have some lines right here, and I have another lines, and I want that my circle is to be tangent in this. So let's say, by the way, you will notice some markers right here, so we will discuss that later. So that's just we want our circle to be tangent somewhere, I mean tangent in these lines, and then we'll write specify radius. So let's say our radius is, maybe we'll try 1000, right? So that's my circle. So it's tangent to this. So if we extend that, it's gonna be tangent. If we extend this line, that's also gonna be tangent. Alright, so let's try again. TTR. So tangent here and then tangent there, and specify, let's say 500. So you see, that's my circle. But sometimes this will not work. Let's say, okay, click again, specify tangent point, second tangent point, and let's say we'll write 100. So alright, so it still works. It still works with this. What if we'll try 5000? See, so sometimes, oh, it still works, right? So anyway, that works. So if it just works, then no problem, but if not, then you just have to change some values.